Hi, I'm so glad you made it to this point. And what you're about to see is going to change the way you look at digital marketing forever. I am going to revolutionize what you know about digital marketing and how it can help your business and every other thing you do, your brand, your workplace, and everything you do regarding to digital marketing. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google tools like Google Ads, Google My Business, Google Analytics to change the paradigm of your business. So what am I saying? What I'm saying is Google tools are very useful to businesses, especially SMEs and even big and massive corporations. But most times a lot of people don't know how to make use of this enormous potential of Google tools. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you wonderful things that you can do with Google tools, that you can do with Google Ads, you can do with Google My Business, and you can do with Google Analytics. I don't want you to miss any second of this video. I want you to follow step by step because I am going to be breaking down so many things to you. I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of these tools that are just most of them are even free if you know how to use them properly.